Bakit yung isa? Ay, yung
Yeah,
isa.
hi,
ano
hi,
na, nagalaw
good
niya.
morning. Welcome to the world. One of them already fighting each other. Look, one of them already like eating. They just came out from the egg. Now they're becoming chick already. Mhm. Look, one of them was looking at me too. Hello. Hey, laying down now. Tired still. Ano magiging kulay nito, Ate Bebe?
Ganyan.
Puti? Kasi
Black
parang
na may
itim.
touch of white.
Ah, black. Pero meron ba kayo nakita na talagang puting-puti na katulad yung mga kuwan mo doon sa
Oo.
likod? So, pag labas sila talagang puti.
Oo.
Ah, so ito talagang itim din siya na may mga white color, right?
O, parang yung nandoon sa loob. Yung itim.
Isa talagang matapang eh. Nakikipaglaro na siya eh. Ito isa, oh, buhay mo nga. Natutulog?
Hindi, natutulog lang yun.
Ah,
Yung isa
okay.
nga,
Sleep well.
ginalaw niya. Ganyan.
Oo nga, just sleep well. Okay, look at the other one is really trying to relax and sleep too. It's ready to mingle later. Okay. It's amazing creation.